Hey YouTubers, welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going back into the Harbor Freight website and checking out some of their coupons that they have going on from now until March 9th. So I just released a video on the instant savings that they have going on at Harbor Freight. So they have a lot of things that are on sale right now, and there are a lot of others that you may find in the store that you don't find on the website. So it's always worth checking out. And another thing to always check out is the clearance section in Harbor Freight whenever you're there. You know, it's the section where you find a socket set that's missing 2 sockets and it's at a discounted price, or it may be a cordless tool without a battery, or it may be a cordless tool without a box. And you can find some really good deals over there. So keep that in mind, but always make sure to check the coupons. The coupons aren't what they used to be, but they're still coupons. So let's go ahead and take a look. They got a couple of generators here, 830 down from 900 and basically 1100 down from 1200. They have the 4-ton professional floor jack with wrapped pump for $200 down from $240. They have the Centec 630 peak amp portable jump starter for $85 down from $90. Not a huge savings there. Here they have the Yukon 46-inch workbench with solid wood top for $340 with coupon instead of $380. Here they have the Warrior 1500 watt heat gun, and it's originally $18. With the coupon, it's $10. It actually used to sell for, I believe, $10 or $15. And so anytime you can, if you don't have a heat gun's just handy to have. Even though this is a very generic one, I know a lot of people that have used it and been very pleased with it, especially for $10. It's really hard to beat that price. A McGraw 29-gallon, 1.8 horsepower, 165 psi air compressor for $500 down from $570. Bauer shop vac. Here's the master set from Quinn, the 428-piece set. I did see it today at Harbor Freight for $420. So here is a coupon for $350. Now I will say this is quite a bit nicer set than the 301-piece set from Pittsburgh, but it is also quite a bit more expensive. But I mean, you get a good selection of tools here. It's one of the better sets that I've seen. There's definitely a lot of sockets included and wrenches. A lot of the times when you see sets like this, they fill them full of 400 of these and give you 30 tools. So seeing just a few bits over here and then your Allen keys, there's a little bit of filler there, but not as bad as a lot of the sets out there. So here's a parts washer for $110 down from $140. Here's the 100-pound welding cart for $38 down from $45. I actually purchased this a couple years ago, and I made a portable pressure washer stand out of it, and it's worked really well. So not too bad. If you have actually purchased this for the purposes of welding, please let me know your guys' thoughts on it. Rolling toolbox for $65 down from $70. Here's the 1-gallon 135 psi ultra quiet hand carry job site air compressor from Fortress. I have the 2-gallon one, and this thing has blown me away, especially with how quiet it is. It is ridiculously quiet. So I was very impressed with this. I think the 1-gallon may be a little too small for anything I would use it for, but once again, I only got the 2-gallon, so I can't really talk. The Banks roofing nailer for $100 down from $125. This I actually just got for Christmas. It's the Doyle 10-inch professional rivet nut setter for $40 down from $50, and it's actually a pretty nice little kit. It actually includes a lot of the hardware, so you can see that there. So I think overall it's a pretty nice little set. As soon as I start using it, I'll definitely make a video on it. But if you guys own this, please let me know your guys' thoughts on it and how it's held up. 22-inch magnetic floor sweeper. Those things are sweet. I mean, it's better than running over screws and nails, you know, especially if you work at a lot of job sites. That could definitely be handy. Here they have the Maddox bearing and race seal driver set, 10-piece set for $30. Same one. You find this same generic set on eBay or, I mean, Amazon, whatever. You can find them everywhere. They're extremely cheap. I think this is a decent deal as well. It's down from $43 to $30. So definitely wouldn't pay the $43 for it, but I think $30 is a good price for it. Then they have the well-known 100-piece bit set. No, these are not top of the line, but you do get a good variety of bits for extremely cheap. down from $10 to $8. A little two-step step stool for $25, down from $30. Here's a 6-outlet power strip. I have this one, and it is $15, down from $23. The Daytona 3-ton aluminum jack stands for $70, down from $90. The pneumatic brake bleeder for $24, down from $32. I would, if I could go back, I would definitely pick this up over picking up the hand pump one, because that thing did not work well for me. And I was actually looking at their impacts today, and I noticed they have the Earthquake XTs that are, the colored ones with 1,200 foot-pounds of breakaway. I noticed that the green one is 1,190 foot-pounds, and it was selling for $45, where all the others were selling for $50, I want to say. So I was really confused on that, why they have like 6 different color options, but the green one specifically has 10 less foot-pounds of breakaway torque. So if you guys know more about those Earthquake XTs and why the green one is 10 foot-pounds less, let me know down in the comments. I thought that was really interesting. I'll throw a clip up at the end. Here we have the 1/2-inch breaker bar for $30. This is the 18-inch. For that price, I'm probably just going to pick up the Comfort Grip Pittsburgh, but it is at $30, down from $35. Here we just have some of your outdoor tools and the pricing on those. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you guys have any personal input on any of these products, please drop it down in the comments for the other viewers. And I'll run the clip of the Earthquake XT impacts that I saw. And other than that, if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the